Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-learning.
Starting with this video, I am going to start a chapter-wise MCQ series which will be very useful for the students who are going to write Class 10 CBSE board examination for the year 2020-2021. This year, the paper has 16 one-markers, whether it may be standard math or basic math. Try not to lose even a single mark here. I have collected a few important questions on chapter 1, that is real numbers, and I have given a detailed explanation to all the MCQs. So please follow the video carefully and understand. Hope this video will be very much helpful for you students. I have uploaded the complete solutions and marking criteria to CBSE Basic Math and Standard Math sample question papers in our channel. I'm going to leave a link here in the description box. If you have not learned the sample question papers yet, follow the link. First question is, let x is equal to 7 by 20 into 25 be a rational number. Then x has a decimal expansion which terminates. You are given with the four options: after 4 places, after 3 places, after 2 places, and after 5 places. So the given rational number which is in the p by q form can be written in the powers of 2's and 5's in the denominator. So 20 can be written as 4 into 5. So that is 2 square into 5. Then 2 square into 5 into 25 is 5 square. So totally this can be written as 7 by 2 square into 5 cube. So the decimal expansion will terminate after 3 places which has the highest power, that is maybe 2 or maybe 5. So here you have the maximum power is 3, right? So the decimal expansion will terminate after 3 places. So option B is correct. Coming to question number 2, the decimal representation of 71 by 150 is terminating decimal, non-terminating repeating decimal, non-terminating non-repeating, and none of these. So let us see. If the denominator can be written in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then the decimal representation will have a terminating decimal. Let us check for the denominator. Denominator is 150. So if you write down the factors, so I am writing it as 15 into 10. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So 2 into 3 into 5 square. So denominator has to be in the form of only 2 and 5, right? So powers of 2 and 5. But here you have 3 also extra. Let us see if this 3 gets cancelled with the numerator. Numerator number is given as 71. 71 is a prime number, right? So it will not get cancelled. So now 71 divided by 2 into 3 into 5 square. So definitely it is not a terminating decimal. Now what happens to this number decimal expansion, right? So you are given with option B and option C. Check it out. Non-terminating. Definitely it is a non-terminating. Correct, right? Because the denominator cannot be written in the form of 2 power m and 5 power n. Correct? It's a non-terminating. But you are given with repeating decimal and non-repeating decimal. Non-terminating, non-repeating decimals are irrational numbers. Remember, non-terminating, non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers, right? But the rational numbers are repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimals are rational numbers. So this one is written in the form of p by q. So this given is a rational number. So it's a non-terminating repeating decimal. Option B is correct for this second question. Question number 3. The decimal expansion of 63 by 72 into 175 is terminating, non-terminating, non-terminating and repeating, and an irrational number. So definitely it's not an irrational number, it's a rational number, as you can write it in the form of p by q. So option D you can eliminate straight away, right? So if you can write the denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then it's a terminating. Otherwise, it's non-terminating, right? So let us check it out. So I'm writing this 175. If you write this, I'm trying to find out the factors here. So 35 and 5 and 7. Then here 72. So 2 times 36, 2 times 18 and 2 times 9. Right. So denominator is 5 square into 7 into 2 cube into 9. So denominator have 2 cube and 5 square, but extra you have. Then check it out whether the numerator will get cancelled with this 7 and 9 or not. 63. So 63 can be written as 7 into 9. So this will get cancelled. So you have only 1 by 2 cube into 5 square. So the numerator is 1. Okay, that is you leave it. Denominator here it can be written in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. So the given fraction has a decimal expansion with terminating. Question number 4. Which of the following has a terminating decimal expansion? 32 by 91, 19 by 80, 23 by 45 and 25 by 42 here. So after looking at the options here, 91 is a prime number, so it cannot be written in the form of 2 powers and 5 powers, so it can be eliminated. So 80, 45 and 42, let us see. If you write for 80, right, 80 can be written as here 5, then it will be 16, so 4 into 4 means 5 into 2 square into 2 square, no? So 2 power 4. Yes, it can be written, right? So 5 power 1 into 2 power 4. So B is correct. Let us check what happens with the option C and option D also. So 45 can be written as 9 fives. So 3 square into 5. So wrong. 42 can be written as 2 times and 21, right? So 7 into 3. So this also cannot be written in the powers of 2 and 5. So option B is correct for this fourth question. Question number 5. If HCF and LCM of two numbers are 4 and 9696, then the product of two numbers is. So we know HCF into LCM of the two numbers is equal to product of those two numbers. So you are given with HCF is 4 and LCM is 9696. And then what is the product? So if you multiply these two numbers, you will get. So if you multiply 4, 6, 24. So from here itself, without finding the full product itself, I think you can tell the option is C, because 4, 6 are 24 here. The last digit is 4 only here. None of the other options have the last digit is 4. So cleverly you can save time also. Directly you can mark option C, or otherwise check out, you will get it as 38784 here, the multiplication. Then coming to problem number 6, 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 is. So rational number, natural number, integer number and irrational number. Right, it's not a rational number because 2 is also present here. Then it's not a natural number, obviously not an integer. So it is an irrational number here because it cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Question number 7. If 9 by 7 whole cube into 47 by 81 whole power 2x minus 6 is equal to 7 by 9 whole power 9, then find the value of x they are asking. So let us solve this. This is simple only. So 9 here 49 by 81. No, 49 can be written as 7 square. 81 can be written as 9 square. So here I have 9 by 7. So inverse it so that everything will be in 7 by 9. So I am writing it as 7 by 9 whole power minus 3 into, this is 7 by 9 whole square into 2x minus 6, right? So that is equal to 7 by 9 whole power 9. So all the bases are equal here. So I can equate the powers. Here a power m into a power n. that can be written as here a power m plus n. No? So this is nothing but minus 3 plus 2 into 2x minus 6. So 4x minus 12 is equal to 9. So this is nothing but 4x minus 15 is equal to 9. So 4x is equal to 24. X is equal to 6. Right? This is simple straight away question. Then coming to question number 8. The number 0.2112111, then 2 followed by 4 ones is a terminating decimal? No, as they are keeping this so on dots, it's not a terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal is correct. It's a non-terminating decimal. Go with option C also. What they have given? Non-termination and non-repeating decimal. Check it out whether it is repeating. 211, 211. Again this 1 came. Again 211, 2 ones came. So it's not a repeating decimal. If it is a repeating decimal, it has to be 211, 211, 211 like that. So it's a non-repeating decimal. So option C is more correct than option B. So choose option C here. Coming to question number 9 here. If m power n is equal to 32, where m and n are positive integers, then the value of n power mn is. So try to find out the factors for number 32 here. So 2, 16, 2, 8, then 2, 4, so 2 2's. So 32 can be written as 2 power 5. So they are given it as m power n. So compare, then I'll get m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 5. Right? So m is the base and n is the power here. So they're asking for n power mn. So mn is 10, n is 5. Right? So 5 power 10. Check it out. Option C here is 5 power 10. Question number 10 is, the number 0.57 bar is in the form of P by Q form where Q is not equal to 0, right? So if this repeating decimal 0.57 bar, if you want to write it in the form of P by Q, then what will be the fraction they're asking? So let us do one thing. Call 0.57 bar as x, right? So then multiply both the sides with x, as I have two decimals here after this point, right? So 100x will be 57.57 bar, right? Now subtract. Let us call this as equation 1 and equation 2. So 2 minus 1, if I do, 99x is equal to here 57. So x is equal to 57 by 99. So without doing all these things also, directly you can mark it as 57 by 99. See here, if you are given with how many number of digits are there under the bar, so those many 9s you can add. So simply 57 divided by 99. Suppose say you are given with 576 bar, then it is 576 divided by 999. So straight away you can mark this question. Then question number 11 is also again the same repeated. Coming to question number 12. If P is a prime number and P divides K square, then P divides 2K square, K, 3K and none of the above. So from the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it is said that if P is a prime number and if P divides K square, then P divides K also. So option B is correct here. Straight away question this one. Coming to question number 13. The largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving reminders 5 and 8 respectively is. So whenever they are asking about the largest number, then straight away go blindly that you have to find the HCF of numbers. So what are the two numbers that we have to find HCF? It's not 70 and 125 as they are giving the reminders 5 and 8. So the numbers are 70 minus 5 is equal to 65 and 125 minus 8 is equal to 117. So first write down the factors for 65 and 117. 65 can be written as 5 into 13 and 17 is 9 into 13. So 3 square into 13 I can write. So for finding HCF, common factor for 65 and 117, 13, and write down the least power. So anyhow for both it is 1 only. So the least power is 1. So the HCF is 13 power 1, which is nothing but 13. So option A is correct here. Question number 14. If two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube, x comma y are prime numbers, then HCF of a comma b is. So same procedure like how we did in 13th question. Same way we have to find out the HCF. A is equal to x cube y square and b is equal to xy cube. They are given x and y are two prime numbers. So these are nothing but the factors here. So first write down the common factor and then the power, right? That is the least power you have to write as we are finding the HCF. So x and y are the factors here, right? Common factors. For x the least power is 1 here. For y the least power is 2. So the HCF is x power 1 into y square. So that is nothing but xy square, option B. Next is question number 15. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p is equal to ab square and q is equal to a cube b, a, b being prime numbers, then find the LCM of p comma q. So when you have to find out the LCM, first write down the common factors here and then you have to find the greatest powers. Okay, not the least power here. So here you have to find out the greatest exponents or powers. So you are given with p is equal to ab square and q is equal to a cube b. So the common factors are a and b here. For a, the highest power is here 3 and for b, the highest power out of 2 is 2 here. So the the LCM here is a cube b square. So that is here option C. Question number 16. The product of a non-zero rational and an irrational number is always irrational, always rational, rational or irrational, 1. See, rational and irrational, if you multiply, see, you take any example. Irrational is in roots. Rational means that can be written in the form of p by q. If you are multiplying, you will get an irrational number only. So the option A is correct here. Coming to question number 17. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10 is option A 10, option B 100, option B 504 and option D 2520. So whenever they are asking the least number, go with LCM. So LCM of all these numbers, that is LCM of 1, 2, 3 so on till 10 is the answer for this. So first you write down the factors. For 1 it can be written as 1. For 2 it is 2 into 1, 1 into 1, right, of course. So then 3 can be written as 3 into 1. 4 is 2 square, 2 into 2, 2 square. 5, 5 into 1. 6 you can write it as 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. 7 again is prime number, 7 into 1. 8 is 2 cube. 9 is 9 into 1. 10 you can take it as 5 power 1 into 2. So what are the factors here? Commonly 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, then 5 also there and 7. 9 can be written as 3 square, sorry, right? So the numbers here are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the common factors out of all this. Now you write down the greatest power as you are finding the LCM. See here for 1 it is 1 only. 2 you have here 2 square is the highest power. For 3 you have 3 square is the highest power. 5 power 1 and this is also 5 power 1, 1 only. 7 you have 7 power 1. So this is your LCM. 1 power 1 into 2 square into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 7. So if you multiply all these, you will get Answer 2520. So that is option D. Question number 18. The decimal expansion of the rational number 14587 divided by 1250 will terminate after. Right. Previously we have seen this type of problem, like they are asking whether it is terminating or not. So they themselves, they have given it is terminating. Means the denominator can be written in the form of 2 powers and 5 powers. Now, they are asking will terminate after how many decimal places. So, let us divide the denominator into factors 1250. So, for better understanding, I will write this as 125 into 10. That 10 into 2 into 5, no? So, 5. So, 125 directly you can write, right? 125 is nothing but 5 cube. 10 is 5 into 2. So, this is nothing but 5 power 4 into 2, right? So, whose power is highest out of 5 and 2? So, here the 5 power is highest by how much? 4, right? So, the power of number 5 is 4. So, the answer here is after 4 decimal places. So, the number will terminate after 4 decimal places. Whose power is having highest power? So, those many places the number will terminate. Next is coming to question number 17. The decimal expansion of the rational number 33 by 2 square into 5 will terminate after. Now itself I am telling whose power is more? 2 power is more here. 2 square, no? So this will terminate after 2 decimal places. So that is option B. Question number 21. If A and B are positive integers, then HCF of A comma B and multiplied by LCM of A comma B is. So we know the product of two numbers is equal to LCM of two numbers multiplied by HCF. So HCF into LCM of those two numbers is equal to the product of two numbers. So straight away you can mark option A. Next is question number 22. If the HCF of two numbers is 1, then the two numbers are called, right? So direct question again, relatively prime or co-prime. If there are two prime numbers or immediate prime numbers or any two prime numbers, then the common factor is obviously 1. Next is question number 23. The decimal expansion of 93 by 1500 will be terminating, non-terminating, terminating, non-terminating and non-repeating, and non-terminating and non-repeating, right? So this type of problems already we have solved in this video only. So try to find out the factors of the denominator in the powers of 2 and 5. So 5, here it is 300, then again 5, 60, 5, then 12 5s, then again here it is 4 and 3. So what I am getting, 5 cube into 2 square into 3 is the denominator. So here this much it is fine, but I have extra 3. Let us check whether it will be cancelled with the numerator or not. So 93, that can be written as 3 into 31 divided by 5 cube into 2 square into 3. So 3 will get cancelled. Now you will be left with only 31 by 2 square into 5 cube. So as the denominator can be written in the form of 5 power m into 2 power n. So the number is, the decimal expansion of the 93 by 1500 is terminating. So option A is correct here. Question number 24. The HCF of 52 and 130 is option A 52, option B 130, option C is 26 and option D 13 here. So again this is one important method, compulsory question you can take. 130 I will divide with the 52, the smaller number. So here it goes with 2 times 104. So this is 6 and 2, 26. Now you divide again with that 52 till you get 0. You have to continue the division. So 2 times it is 52. So 0. So as you are getting 0, 26 is the required HCF. So check out in the options here, 52, 130 and yeah, option C is 26. That is correct answer here. Question number 25. Given that HCF of 1152, 1664 is 128, and then the LCM of 1152, 1664 is, means you are given with two numbers, and HCF of two numbers also you are given with. They are asking for LCM. See, from question number 21, here I have already told you the formula, right? LCM into HCF is nothing but product of those two numbers A and B, suppose. So you are given with HCF. HCF is 128. LCM you have to find out, and then the numbers here are 1152 multiplied by, here the other number is 1664. So the required here LCM is equal to 1152 into 1664 divided by 128. So let us try to cancel here. This one 128, it goes for 9 times. So if you multiply here 1664 into 9, you will get 14976. So out of this, option A is correct for question number 25 here. Question number 26. The HCF of two numbers is 23 and their LCM is 1449. If one of the numbers is 161, then find the other number. Again, similar type of question. So HCF is 23. HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers, 161 into the other number, let it be Y. So that Y is equal to 23 into 1449 divided by 161 here. So this will go for 9 times. So if you multiply this, you will get it as 207. 23 into 9. So option B is correct for question number 26. Question number 27. Which one of the following rational numbers is a non-terminating decimal expansion? So if you can express the denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, then the number is terminating. Otherwise, it's a non-terminating. So check it out here. 15 is there, that can be written as 3 into 5. So 3 will get cancelled 2 times. It will be 2 by 5. So denominator is having only 5. Then into 1 you can write, no, that 1 you can write it as 2 power 0. Right. So now this is of the form 2 power 0 into 5 power 1. 2 power m into 5 power n. So this is a terminating decimal. Now check out option A, 50. 50 you can write it as 5, 10. So 5, 2. So this is 5 square into 2 power 1. Yes, that is also terminating. Then 180 you check. 180 if you check, this is 5 times 36. Again 2 times. This will be 18. Again 2 times 9. 9 is 3 square here, right? So this is nothing but 5 power 1 into 2 square into 3 cube. So this 3 cube is there. Let us check it out whether it is, 3 square is there. Let us check whether it gets cancelled with the numerator or not. 3 square, I am writing it as 3 into 3 here. This 3 will get cancelled, 22 here. So 22 divided by 5 power 1 into 2 square into 3. So this is not in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Extra I have 3 also. So that's why it is a non-terminating decimal expansion. So option B is correct here. Question number 28. The product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is equal to. So we have solved many MCQs based on this. It is product of those two numbers. So option C is correct here. Question number 29. LCM of two co-prime numbers is always, so it's always product of numbers. Suppose if you are finding out HCF, that is 1 only, but LCM, so the least common factor is those two numbers you have to multiply. Then coming to number 30, what is HCF of two consecutive even numbers? So check it out. Take example, any two numbers you take, two consecutive even numbers. So take 2, 4. So find HCF till you get 0, 2. Then 4, you are getting 0 here. So that is nothing but 2 only, right? So take another example, 12 and 10. So 1 time 10, 2, 10, right? 5 times. So again 10, 0. So HCF is 2. So whatever it may be, 2 consecutive even numbers, you will get the HCF as 2. So option B is correct. Next, what is HCF of 2 consecutive odd numbers? So again like this you check with one example. Suppose say take 2 odd numbers are 17 and 15. So 1, 15, right? So it is 2, right? 15, then 7 times 14, 1, 2. So it is 1 time, right? So 1, right? So the HCF of any 2 consecutive odd numbers is 1 here. So option A is correct. You can check this with any other example, right? Coming to question number 32, the last MCQ. The missing number in the following factor tree is. So this is very simple. 18 by 3 you can take, that is nothing but 6, right? So 18 is 6 into 3. So coming to the option, the correct option is option B here.
For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.